Hello everyone, welcome back to Rao Educator Club. So today we are diving deep into regularization, that is unit 4 in NNDL. Now regularization for deep learning. Okay, now if you have ever trained a deep learning model, or if you have noticed how it performs very well on this training data but fails on new data, then you are dealing with overfitting. Okay, let's see what overfitting is in this topic. Okay, now regularization is nothing but it helps in preventing overfitting by making the model more generalized and reliable. So in this session we will cover all the important techniques that are used for regularization with simple examples and explanations. Okay, so let's get started. First we have, what is this regularization for deep learning? Okay, so it is basically a technique that you have to remember. It is basically a technique which is used in deep learning. All right, technique which is used in deep learning. Clear? Now why is it used? It is used to reduce overfitting. Okay, it is used to reduce overfitting and improve generalization. Clear? Okay, we'll just repeat it again. Regularization is nothing but it is a technique in deep learning which is used to reduce overfitting and improve generalization. Clear? Now why does this overfitting happen? It happens when a model learns the exact details and noise from training data instead of capturing the underlying pattern. Now it happens when a model memorizes training data instead of learning general patterns. Clear? Why are we learning these general patterns instead of capturing the underlying pattern? Clear, everyone? Now next, it is highly accurate. Okay, a highly overfitted model performs well on training data, but it is poorly performed on a new data. Okay, a highly overfitted model performs well on a training data, so it performs well on a training data, but it performs poorly on a new data which is taken. Now let me give you a best example. Okay, the best example would be, now imagine a student who is memorizing answers for an exam. Let's say you have an exam tomorrow and you're memorizing answers for that exam. Now instead of understanding concepts, what are you doing? You're just memorizing it. Okay, now if the exam questions are exactly the same, they will score well. But if the questions change slightly, or maybe which you haven't learned, they will struggle, right? So in the same way, regularization ensures that the student understands the subject instead of just memorizing the answers. Clear? So this is student memory. You can just remember like this: student memorizes and you'll be able to write the example in detail. Okay, clear, everyone? So this is the first video. We'll be having a playlist on this. I'd request you to go into the playlist and check for all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the video. Do subscribe the channel if you haven't done yet.